Students, so we'll continue with the chapter growing plants. So few things were left, that way we were doing seeds. So in that day I have shown you this embryo, white color embryo. So this part which grows upwards, that is baby shoot which grow upwards, is known as plumule, and the part which grows downwards is known as baby root radicle. Okay, the embryo which that day I have shown you, baby plant, has the part which is growing upwards is baby shoot, known as plumule, and the part which is growing downwards is known as baby root radicle. Now there are two kinds of seeds. Okay, one is monocot and another one is dicot. See, okay, the rice, this is monocot. It has only one cotyledon. So one cotyledon with the seeds which have only one cotyledon is known as monocot. Rice, what else? Wheat, yes, and maize. Okay, so these are have only one cotyledon. So monocot, mono means one, mono means one. So which the seeds which have one cotyledon is known as monocot. And see, these have two cotyledons. This also, your peas, mutton, see, these have also two cotyledons. Yes or no? One and two cotyledons. So they are known as dicot. So dicot examples are very good: peas, okay, beans. Okay, so understood, monocot and di means two. Here completes your kinds of seeds. Now we'll see dispersal of seeds. Okay, that day I told you that the seeds which get proper air, proper sunlight, proper space, proper warmth, proper water, that only grows into a new plant. But as you know that when the wind blows, when the heavy rainfall is there, the seeds get dispersed. Okay, disperse means scattering. Okay, scattering of seeds away from the mother plant is called dispersal of seeds. When the seeds get dispersed from the mother plant is called dispersal of seeds, scattering. जब एक मदर प्लांट से सीड्स टूट के कई जगह जगह गिर जाती हैं, स्कैटर्ड हो जाती हैं, उसे कहते हैं डिस्पर्सल ऑफ सीड्स. ठीक है, एंड हाउ इट हैपेंस? इट हैपेंस बाय व्हाट आर द एजेंट्स? विंड्स. ठीक है, जब तेज हवा चलती है, व्हेन द विंड ब्लोस, तो सीड्स जो होती हैं प्लांट, मदर प्लांट से स्कैटर होके जगह जगह दूर दूर गिर जाती हैं. और वो कौन सी होती हैं? विच सीड्स? द सीड्स विच आर स्मॉल and light. The seeds which are small and light get dispersed by wind. An example is cotton. Yes, cotton seeds get dispersed by wind first. Second agent is dispersal by water. Okay, by water. The fruit which has a spongy part and has thick fibrous coat that can float easily on the water, that the seeds of those fruits are dispersed by water. And what is it? Examples: coconut, okay, and lotus. Okay, spongy, see, these are spongy parts. Okay, now third agent is by animals. Okay, animals, xanthium. Let me show you the example. See, these are xanthium. See how pointed it is. Yes, so these seeds get stuck to the body parts of animals and human beings also. See, okay, so they are also dispersed by animals. And the fruits we eat, like we eat mango, we eat apple, and we throw the seeds like this only, that is also a dispersal. When we are eating fruits, apple and mango, and we are eating the fruit and we are just throwing the seeds like this here and there, then also a new plant can grow from those seeds. But when the seeds will get proper air, proper sunlight, and proper water and space. Okay, and next is by explosions. The best example is peas. मटर होती है ना, okay, it explodes, it burst opens और उसके seeds इधर उधर बिखर जाते हैं. Some fruits that burst open when they become dry. Yes, when some fruits they become dry, the fruits get open and the seeds get dispersed. Okay, example is by explosion. See here, see, the peas got dried, and the seeds of those peas are scattered here and there. This is known as explosion. It burst itself because it get dried. Okay, now let us proceed further. Now we will do vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation means when a new plant grow from vegetative parts like roots, okay, stem, okay, and leaves. That I told you the new plant grows from seed. Yes, it grows, but there are few plants which can be grown with the help of roots, help of stem, and with the help of leaves. See, what is this? As you can see, this is a stem of a rose plant. See, there are no roots here, no seeds. See, there are no roots, it is just a stem. See, stem. So if I will plant this in the soil, a new plant will grow, a new rose plant will grow. So this is vegetative propagation. A new plant is grown from a stem. Okay, so from stem. Example is rose. Okay, rose. See, if we cut this and we'll plant it, a new plant will grow. Okay, so see it here. There is no root over here. It is just a stem, cutting of a stem. And if I'll plant, a new plant will grow. Okay, so vegetative propagation through root, through stem and leaf. Stem we have done. That is example is rose. Then from underground stem. Yes, see here. See nicely. See. You can see. See, this is bud. This is called bud. B-U-D, bud. It is also known as potato eye. See, this is known as potato eye, bud. And if I'll keep this, if I'll plant, keep it in the soil, give them proper air, water and all, a new plant will grow from here. See. Okay, so this is a new plant is grown from where? From underground stem, and a potato is an example of underground stem. So a new plant can grow from these buds. See, these buds. If I'll cut this piece, plant it, sow it in the soil, a new plant will grow from here. Okay, so example is potato. Now third one is from roots. Okay, from roots. Example is sweet potato. Okay, sweet potato. Sweet potato is an example of root. Okay, it is a part. Which part of the plant? It is root. See here in this diagram. See here. See, this is sweet potato. I've kept it in water and I put toothpicks around it. See, these are toothpicks. And after few days, I'll see a new plant is growing from here. Okay. See, a new plant is growing from here. See, it has got proper sunlight, air, water, everything. And this is a sweet potato. And sweet potato is what? It is a root. Okay. It's part of a root of a plant. And a new plant grows from this root. Okay. So 3 points we have covered. Vegetative propagation. A new plant is grown. New plants can be grown from root, stem and leaf. This is known as vegetative propagation. From stem, this is rose, and from underground stem, potato, as I have shown you. Okay, this is an example of stem. Then from underground stem, then from root, sweet potato. And see, fourth one is from leaves. From leaves. New plants can be grown from leaves. See here. See, these are leaves of Birophyllum. Okay, at the edges, see, these are edge. This is a edge. These are also having small buds. A new plant will grow from these small buds. Okay, so vegetative propagation is new plants can be grown from root, stem and leaves. Root example is sweet potato, stem is rose, underground stem is potato, and from leaves we can grow Birophyllum. Other leaves, example Birophyllum. Plants like Birophyllum, they have, see, these are edges, and at the edge, this is edge, and at the edge buds are grown like this, and a new plant will grow from these buds. Clear? Okay, thank you.